Yes. Yes, this was the last question we were doing. Find the component of unit vector perpendicular to vector A, that is I plus 2j minus k and 3i minus j plus 2k. I want a component of a unit vector which is perpendicular to this also, perpendicular to this also. So what we do here in this case, let there is a vector C which is coming as xi plus yj plus zk. This is a unit vector, so magnitude of C in the question is 1. So the question is asking that you should find the component of a unit vector. This C we are taking as a unit vector which is perpendicular to A as well as B. Yes, how to do this question now? And as C is a unit vector, we should say modulus C is coming 1. So first condition which you will get in this case will be A dot C should be 0. And at the same time we should have B dot C has to be 0. A dot C 0 means it will be x plus 2y minus z coming 0. And another one is 3x minus y plus 2z is 0. Third equation is missing here. So the problem will be how to get x, y, z is the important case here. How to do this? We will do by this form. X by, if you remember Cartesian product form. X when you are taking, leave this. Then this into this, that will be 4. Minus this into this. Minus 1 into minus 1, it will come out to be plus 1. Okay? Then comes out to be y, which will be taken as minus y because second quadrant it is. और फिर आप इसमें करेंगे 2, then it will be plus of 3. कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट कहलाता है ये, इसको आपको आना चाहिए. पहला x छोड़ दिया आपने, इसका component multiply by this component, that is 4 minus the component of this into this, that is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, so 4 minus 1. Then we have the second term, यहाँ पे minus लगाना है, minus y, इसको छोड़ दिया. अब इसको छोड़ दिया तो ये दोनों रिजल्ट बच रहे हैं, तो that is the component of this into this, that will be 2 minus minus of 3, that will be plus 3 equal to, then come out to be z by. So leave this. Now this component, that is minus 1 minus 6, and this will be taken as k. So x comes out to be thrice of k, y will be minus of 5k, and z will be minus of 7k. Clear? That means what will be your C vector? C vector now I got as 3ki minus 5kj minus 7k k. ये मैंने k लिया है, इसको आप कुछ और भी लिख सकते हो. लैम्डा ले लो, बेटर होगा क्योंकि k आपका रिपीट हो रहा है इस केस में, तो लैम्डा ले लेते हैं, तो ये लैम्डा हो जाए. So it will come out to be 3 lambda minus of 5 lambda, and this is 7 lambda. This is your C vector. In this case, the missing will be lambda here. And one more information we have, that is modulus of C is given as 1 because it's a unit vector. So modulus C is given as 1 means under root of 9 lambda square plus 25 lambda square plus 49 lambda square come out to be 1. Now when we solve it, 25 plus 49 plus 9. 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 49. Check karo, 83 lambda square is coming 1. So what I get here, 83 lambda square is coming 1, or I should say lambda square is 1 by 83, or lambda comes out to be plus 1 by root of 83. So that means what is your C vector now? So directly now C vector equal to 3 by 83 plus minus 3 by root 83 I cap minus 5 by root 83 minus plus हो जाएगा ये, that will be j cap, क्योंकि यहाँ minus है तो minus plus लिखा जाएगा. Then it is again minus plus, this will come out to be 7 by root of 83 k cap. So what are the components now? Components are 3 by 83. First time we'll take plus 3 by 83 minus 5 by root 83 minus 7 by root 83. And second time we'll take minus of 3 by root 83 plus of 5 by root 83 plus of 7 by root 83. So this is the question you should now know. Next question write down please. Another NCERT problem note here. The scalar product of a vector, the scalar product of a vector A, which is I cap plus j cap plus k cap, with a unit vector, scalar product of vector A with a unit vector along the sum of vectors B, that is 2i plus 4j minus 5k, and C vector is lambda I plus 2j plus of 3k is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Then find the value of lambda and also find a unit vector along B plus C. Also find a unit vector along B plus C. Scalar product of A with a unit vector along the sum of these two, that is B plus C, is equal to 1. What is the meaning of it? Yes, बोलो भाई क्या करें? The dot product or scalar product of A with the unit vector we are taking of sum of B and C along the sum of B and C vector is equal to 1. Means we should say first we should find out what is B plus C vector. Okay, B plus C vector, when you calculate what it will come out to be 2 plus lambda I cap, then plus of 6j cap minus of 2k cap. This is B plus C vector. Let this vector is taken as B. Then they are saying the dot product of this and the unit vector of this. Iska unit vector means I need d cap. Iska unit vector nikalo, d cap. डी कैप कैसे निकलेगा? वेक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड, और that will come 2 plus lambda I cap plus of 6j minus of 2k whole divided by under root of 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square plus 2 square. This is the unit vector. Now question says A dot d cap is 1. Vector A and the unit vector which is along B plus C. So A dot d cap is given as 1. Now my question is what should be lambda? First find out. And then he is asking what is unit vector along B plus C. So unit vector along B plus C तो d cap है, तो अगर lambda मालूम हो जाएगा तो then you can get it. So now A dot d cap we go. A vector is I plus j plus k dot d cap is this 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap by under root of 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square plus 2 square is coming 1. Now when you solve it, what it will come? Just solve 2 plus lambda, then plus of 6, then minus of 2, whole divided by under root of 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square is 36 plus 4 is coming 1. And now when you solve it further, ऊपर 2 कैंसिल हो रहा है, it will come out to be lambda plus 6 equal to under root of 2 plus lambda whole square plus of 40. Now squaring both the sides. So it will come lambda plus 6 whole square will be 2 plus lambda whole square plus 40. Now when you solve it, it will come lambda square plus 12 of lambda plus of 36, lambda square plus 4 lambda plus of 4 plus of 40. Then lambda square gone. 12 lambda minus 4 lambda, it will come out to be 8 lambda. Here it will be 44 minus 36. So what left? 8. So lambda is clearly come out to be 1. And if lambda is coming 1, what they are asking? D cap. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3i plus 6j minus of 2k by under root of 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square, 9, plus 36, plus 4, 7 आ जाएगा. So I got the answer 3i plus 6j minus 2k by 7. Another important question note, please. This is again NCERT problem and we got in board exam twice. If with reference to a right-handed system of mutually perpendicular vectors, of mutually perpendicular unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap. We have alpha vector is 3i minus j and beta vector is 2i plus j minus 3k. Question is express beta vector as the sum of beta 1 plus beta 2. Express vector beta as a beta 1 plus beta 2, where beta 1 is parallel to alpha. Where beta 1 is parallel to alpha and beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha. Question says if with reference to a right-handed system of mutually perpendicular unit vectors. तो ये तो केवल आपको confuse कर रहा है. That shows that it is with respect to x, y and z axis. Because I cap, j cap and k cap are the unit vector along x, y, z and they are mutually perpendicular vectors and they all are unit vectors. So with respect to this, what we have alpha vector given to you, beta vector given to you, and he's saying that you write beta as beta 1 plus beta 2. Where what condition given? Beta 1 is parallel to this vector alpha and beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha. इस बीटा को दो पार्ट में लिखना है. एक वेक्टर आपका इसके पैरेलल होना चाहिए, एक इसके परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए. That is the question. You have to write beta as beta 1 plus beta 2, where beta 1 is parallel to alpha and beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha. Now, alpha and beta are known to us. First thing, if beta 1 is parallel to alpha, what condition we have? कोई बताएगा अगर दो वेक्टर पैरेलल हैं तो क्या कंडीशन होनी चाहिए? If one vector is हाँ बोलो.
तो थीटा इक्वल्स टू 0 होगा.
कौन सा थीटा 0 होगा? कंडीशन बताई थी मैंने. दो वेक्टर अगर पैरेलल है तो आप क्या करते हैं?
सर
हाँ बोलो.
बीटा इक्वल्स टू k टाइम्स ऑफ अल्फा.
यस, बीटा 1 इज लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ अल्फा. एक वेक्टर दूसरे का मल्टीपल होगा. अगर दो वेक्टर पैरेलल हैं तो मैंने क्या कहा था? one will be lambda times of other vector. So parallel vector की कंडीशन पर पैरेलल वेक्टर की कंडीशन क्या बताई थी? बीटा 1 is lambda times of alpha. One vector is lambda times of other. ये आपके पास पहली कंडीशन रहेगी. Beta 2 and alpha are perpendicular. So second condition it says beta dot alpha is coming 0. ये दो कंडीशन मेरे पास है. Beta 1 is lambda times of alpha and beta 2 dot alpha is coming 0, and now I should find out what are the two vectors. तो अगर आप alpha निकाल लेंगे तो काम हो जाएगा आपका. Just check how we do it. Is these two questions, are these two conditions clear? ये कंडीशन क्या बताई है? परपेंडिकुलर की. उसने कहा है बीटा 2 अल्फा के परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए, सो बीटा 2 अल्फा इज 0, और बीटा 1 और अल्फा पैरेलल होना चाहिए, सो बीटा 1 इज लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ अल्फा. अब आपको क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि यू जस्ट फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज बीटा 1 एंड व्हाट इज बीटा 2. फर्स्ट आई कैलकुलेट व्हाट इज बीटा 1. बीटा 1 हमारा हो जाएगा लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ 3i माइनस j. बीटा 1 इज क्लियर नाउ. लैम्डा टाइम्स ऑफ 3i माइनस j. इसका लैम्डा टाइम्स इज योर बीटा 1. देन आई नीड बीटा 2. बीटा 2 हम यहां से निकालते हैं. देखो बीटा वेक्टर आपके पास ये रहा. What is that? 2i plus j minus of 3k equal to beta 1 is this lambda times of 3i minus j and then plus of beta 2 vector. When you go for beta 2, ये टर्म इधर जाएगी. क्या बनेगा? 2 minus 3 lambda I cap then plus j plus of lambda j, so it will be 1 plus lambda into j minus 3k is coming as beta 2. So I have beta 1 now and I have calculated beta 2. Beta 2 I have calculated from here. Beta is known, beta 1 is known, so beta 2 I can calculate this. And now we have condition beta 2 dot alpha is 0. This condition I will take in consideration now. Beta 2 dot alpha is coming 0. बीटा 2 ये रहा और अल्फा ये रहा, बोलो भाई क्या होगा, इन दो का डॉट प्रोडक्ट हम ले रहे हैं, तो 2 माइनस 3 लैम्डा इंटू 3, 2 माइनस 3 लैम्डा इंटू 3, फिर आएगा माइनस 1 इंटू 1 प्लस लैम्डा, और तीसरा हमारा माइनस 3 और यहाँ 0 आएगा, so it will be minus 3 into 0, so it's coming 0. That is coming 0. Then when you solve it, what it will come? 2 3s are 6. Minus of 9 lambda. Minus 1 minus lambda is 0. 5 equal to 10 lambda हो गया. Or we got it, lambda is coming 1 by 2. If you got lambda is half, can you get beta 1 now? Yes, I can get beta 1 now. What is beta 1? That is half of 3i minus j. And second one is needed beta 2. Beta 2 यहाँ से निकलेगा. It will be 2 minus 3 by 2. I cap plus 1 plus half j cap minus of 3 k cap. So what is beta 1? That will be 3 by 2i minus half of j. Beta 2 will be what? 2 minus 3 by 2. So it will have half of I cap. Then plus of 3 by 2 j cap and minus of 3 k cap. So finally what you should write? You should write beta as beta 1 plus beta 2. Their beta value is already known, 2i plus j minus 3k, now written as beta 1. Beta 1 ये रहा, 3 by 2i minus half of j plus beta 2 ये रहा, half of I cap plus 3 by 2 j cap minus of 3k. इसका सम इसके इक्वल आ, ये आपका बोर्ड में 2 बार आ चुका है, ये क्वेश्चन आपको आना चाहिए. Next question, write down please. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which the angle between vector A 2x square I cap plus 4x j cap plus k cap and B vector is 7i minus 2j plus xk is obtuse. We have to find out what is the value of x if the angle between these two vectors is an obtuse angle. बोलो भाई कैसे करें? angle between these two vectors must be obtuse, then what should be x we should calculate here. So first thing we have done the formula cos theta is what? A dot B by magnitude A magnitude B. This is the formula for the angle between the two vectors. And now they are saying you want the condition that this angle to be obtuse. If theta is obtuse, then cos theta has to be negative. क्योंकि second quadrant में चला गया. Cos theta अगर negative चला गया, इसका मतलब ये quantity मेरी negative होनी चाहिए. So for an obtuse angle, we should say cos theta is coming negative, or I should say A dot B by magnitude A magnitude B is less than 0. And now if we go for, if this quantity is 0, less than 0, what does it mean? If this quantity is less than 0, तो ये तो आपके positive quantity है, modulus है, केवल A dot B has to be less than 0. And then we solve it. A dot B, what it will come? 7 to the 14 x square minus of 8x plus of x comes less than 0. Come out to be 14x square minus 7x is coming less than 0. 7x we will take common, left is 2x minus 1 is coming less than 0. And then we go on number line. This is x0 and this is coming half. When you take less than 0 value, it will be negative and it will be also negative. So negative, negative, net is plus. When you take between 0 and half, this part will be plus, but this is negative, so it is minus. Half above, this will be plus. We want its negative value. So where x should go? X should go between 0 to half. X आपका 0 से half के बीच में होना चाहिए. Now coming on next result. एक result और आपको याद करना है जिसपे कुछ questions और बाकी हैं, वो भी हम खत्म करते हैं. For any vectors A, B and C, magnitude of A plus B plus C square, magnitude of A plus B plus C square will be equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus magnitude C square plus twice of A dot B plus twice of B dot C plus twice of C dot A. This is the formula you should remember now. I will tell the proof of this also. You can find out the proof of this also. I can write this as magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square equal to. As it says square, I should write this as A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus. Magnitude of A square is A dot A. We have done this property. Now when you solve it, first go for distributive. A dot A. Then comes A dot B. Then comes A dot C. Then comes B dot A. B dot B, B dot C, C dot A, C dot B, C dot C. This is nothing but magnitude A square. ये गया. Magnitude B square. This is magnitude C square. A dot B and B dot A, so it is twice of A dot B. Then twice of B dot C. And then twice of C dot A. Hence proved. Now write question on it, please. Again, NCRT problem, we got in board exam twice. If A, B, C are three vectors with their magnitude 3, 4 and 5. Magnitude A is 3, magnitude B is 4 and magnitude C is given as 5. If each one is perpendicular to sum of other two, each is perpendicular to sum of other two, then you should prove that magnitude of A plus B plus C is 5 root 2. ये क्वेश्चन है हमारा, ये प्रूव करना है. A, B, C are three vectors we have. Their magnitudes are given. Then what it says, each vector is perpendicular to the sum of other two. इसका मतलब A आपका किसके perpendicular है? B plus C के. So A dot B plus C comes out to be 0. A और B plus C perpendicular है. ऐसे ही B और C plus A perpendicular है. And same way C is perpendicular to A plus B. ये तीन conditions हमको दी. Now we should find out this magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square. We have this result, and now we should solve it. But before finding this value, one more information is there which we collect together. ये वाला result देखो. We have A dot B plus A dot C0. पहली वाली condition यही कह रही है. दूसरी कह रही है B dot C plus B dot A is 0. And third says C dot A plus C dot B is coming 0. If I add all three, A dot B ये रहा, ये भी A dot B है because minus का कोई मतलब नहीं है. A dot B and B dot A are same, so I'll get twice A dot B. फिर B dot C ये रहा, B dot C ये रहा, and C dot A and C dot A. So I have this condition with me. Twice of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is coming 0. Now they are asking this value to be calculated. So I calculate it now. A, that will be square 9. B square, that will be 16. C square, that will be 25. And this whole result will be 0 now. Because already 2A dot B plus twice of B dot C plus twice C dot A, already we got 0. So that means what I get here, magnitude of A plus B plus C whole square is coming how much? This is 50. Or I should say A plus B plus C is coming as root 50. And root 50 is what? 5 under root 2 is the answer. Next question, write down please. A, B, C are unit vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Means this is 1, and this is 1. Such that A plus B plus C is 0. Such that A plus B plus C is coming 0. My question is, find the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. ये value आपको calculate करना है. This value in the question given 0. These all are unit vectors, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. Square करोगे तो भी 1 आएगा, कोई problem नहीं है. And this I'll write twice. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. This value they are asking you find out. तो ये कितना होगा? इधर जाएगा -3. is coming twice of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. And then this 2 will go down, so minus 3 by 2 will be coming as A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot. This is the question we have, in which they given A, B, C are 3 vectors, all are unit vectors, so that means their magnitude is 1. A plus B plus C given 0 in the question. Then they are asking find out what is A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. So for that we are going with this formula. ये part आपका 0. This will be 1, 1, 1. This we want to calculate, so I have written twice. Now it is 3 will go that side, minus 3 by 2 is here, so minus